This is the cotton candy machine, K-fans, at Gator Mike's. They make really unique shapes. They normally have these in Japan, but I can't believe they have one of these here. Look how cute and kawaii this machine is. And there is a balloon bot behind me, which, oh my gosh, this is gonna be epic. I see they got the cotton candy flowing. Oh, look at the little shapes. They're just so cute. I am a big fan of cotton candy. I'm the queen of cotton candy. I feel like I'm in Japan right now. Wow. Oh, that is cool. The wand does it for you. The little robot arm. That is so cool. It's way to not do for something that you can do in Japan to do in America. This is gonna be epic. Woo. This is awesome. Cool stuff from Japan, right here, baby. Wow. This is all the thank you. I'm so happy. This is my dream. Japan. Japan rules. Yeah. Look at that. It's so yummy. So glorious. That looks awesome. That is so neat. Look at that. We should have to get a picture. We have to get a picture before I eat it. So it's a mess. That is awesome.
It's only $6.
There you go. Pictures, okay? That is awesome. And now let's see how to get it out. Can I just yank it out? Maybe I should wait. I'm taking it. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Look at